Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're like me, then you're looking for any opportunity to get your kids out of the house and out in the yard. This helped a lot. These Rackrangs are so much fun. We even got my 16-year-old daughter out of the house and playing with them. They played for hours with these things, and they're so much fun. You do kind of have to take a minute to learn how to throw it, but then when you get it right, oh man, it's so much fun. It does come back to you. My son can throw it and catch it, which is amazing. I cannot. You can see me here. I'm about to hit my camera. So it takes a little practice, but we had so much fun. They're made out of this really neat material. It comes with a red one and a blue one in a pack of 2. Our blue one kind of got stuck in a tree, but we still have the red one here and we still play with it often. This lightweight material is very easy to pick up and it's very easy to grip with these finger grips in the side of it. You give it a good fling and then it comes right back to you. Another thing that I really love about this is its durability. My son is not known for being the gentlest with his toys, but this thing just refuses to give up on him and how hard he plays. So I love that. It's going to last you for a long time. This boomerang toy is so much fun. My son is out here running around for hours with it. It definitely got him out of the house and into the yard like I wanted. But that's just my point of view.